How to create a YouTube channel in 2024. Now, let's create a YouTube channel. Huwag mag-alala, napakadali lang gumawa ng YouTube channel, kahit na baguhan ka pa lang. Let's get started. Open the YouTube app. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap Switch Account. Select the Google account you want to use to create your YouTube channel. Tap again your profile icon. Ngayon, oras na para gawin ang iyong YouTube channel. Click here to create your YouTube channel. You don't have to change anything here. Tap Create Channel. Channel created. Tap again your profile icon. Now, let's manage YouTube channel's basic information. We can manage basic information about our YouTube channel such as channel name, handle, channel URL, descriptions, profile picture and channel profile banner. Tap here to customize your YouTube channel. Your channel name is the official name of your channel on YouTube. Nagsisilbi itong pagkakakilanlan ng iyong channel, kaya pumili ng pangalan ng channel na may simpleng spelling at madaling matandaan. Name change. Ang handle naman ay isang unique identifier upang madaling mahanap ang YouTube channel mo. Maaari din itag o i-mention ang YouTube channel mo gamit ito. Handle and channel URL change. Gamit ito, maaari mong idirekta ang iyong audience sa homepage ng YouTube channel mo. YouTube channel descriptions are short descriptions shown on the About section of your YouTube channel. Maaari mong ilarawan dito sa mga potential viewers mo kung sino ka, anong uri ng content ang gagawin mo, at kung bakit sila dapat mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel mo. Description change. Now, it's time to change your YouTube channel profile picture. Click here. Pumili ng isang picture mula sa iyong smartphone. Save as profile picture. Profile photo updated successfully. Let's update your YouTube profile banner. Tap your banner image on the right. You can take a photo or choose a photo to upload. Select an image. Your channel banner will look different across devices. The widest crop area will be used in desktop and TV. Channel banner updated successfully. Congratulations! You have created your own YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.